Good morning for today's video. Samahan niyo ako mag-empake. And while we're doing that, I want to give a life update. By the way, sa mga bago dito, I am Mommy Johanna. I am a mommy content creator and also a travel content creator. But for the last 4 months, hindi pa kami umaalis ulit. Actually, ngayon lang kami ulit magsi-staycation and we are going to the cabins in Bulacan. So, I'm packing Franco's stuff with me. We're going to stay there for 3 days and 2 nights. And dun sa resort na yun, may mga swimming pool, may lake, so pwede kami mag-kayak, may ATV rides, pwede mag-biking, and all that stuff. And so I want to make sure everything is packed here. For the last 4 months, hindi pa kami umaalis. I think it's because we're still settling down here dito sa apartment namin. And nag-school na rin si Franco, so hindi basta-basta pwedeng umalis. And at the same time, chika ko lang sa inyo na we've been trying ni Daddy na sundan si Franco and we thought na it will be so easy for us. Kasi alam niyo si Franco nung nabuo siya, isang araw lang talaga akong nagkamali sa calendar method ko. And then poof! Next month, hindi na ako dinagnan. And so, I would always say na si Franco, one day mistake. Though he's not a mistake ha, but sa calendar method namin. And then nabuo na siya. And so, I've always had this thought na madali ako mabuntis. Kasi my mom, 7 kami, sunod-sunod, walang pahinga. And then my sister, she has 5 kids. And ayun, so akala ko, mabilis lang din for us. But it has been 4 months and still no baby in my belly. And so we decided ni Daddy, let's not put things on hold kung wala pa naman. Mag-pause na lang tayo kapag andyan na. And we don't want it to be like a chore or something like that. If it happens, it happens. And so for the last quarter of 2025, I've already booked our trips, our upcoming trips. Next month, I will be in Korea. Next coming months, me and Daddy will have the trip of our dream, which will be a Europe trip by SNG Travels and Tours. So we will be visiting 5 countries in 10 days sa Europe. Next month after that, kami namang family, Franco, me, and Daddy, will be back in Japan for the 3rd time. Tignan nyo tong swimming clothes na nabili ko sa kanya from Shopee. Set na siya, rash guard siya, na meron siyang kasamang ganitong hat. So, hindi masusunog yung batok ng anak ko. Eto ding swimming clothes ni Franco na to, I got this last year from the Orange app. And this is around 700 pesos. But to tell you guys, yung quality niya, katumbas ng quality ng swimming clothes ni Franco na tagti 3,000 pesos. This one might be a lot cheaper than this one. Pero if meron akong marirecommend sa inyo, worth the money, this one na lang. Kasi maganda talaga yung fabric niya. Pagka nag-ATV kami, shorts and ganitong top, I got this from Decathlon. Mura lang yung mga swimming clothes sa kanila. Sobrang ganda din ng quality. And some board shorts. Hindi pwede kasing sakto lang yung dala ng mga bata eh. Kasi alam mo yun, baka tumalon na naman sa pond yung anak ko tapos kulang kami sa damit. I'm not sure if it's going to be hot dun sa pupuntahan namin. And so yung mga baon kong damit are all linen. This one, I got this from Editor's Market. One's from H&M naman. So the green one, I'll pair with this top, bodysuit from Zara. The one from H&M, I'll pair with this top. Sobrang excited na rin talaga kami ni Daddy na magkaroon ng kapatid si Franco. If it's a girl, super happy. If it's a boy, super happy pa rin talaga. Kasi si Franco sobrang sweet niya. As a boy mom, I know everyone can relate. Ang sweet ng mga little boys natin, lalo na sa ating mga mommy, pabor talaga. Kaya okay lang sa akin if boy. Pero si Daddy, gusto niyang magkaroon ng girl na anak. Anyways, this dress, once ko pa lang siya na susuot nung birthday ni Franco. So, I'm bringing this one also. Also bringing this dress, mga malamig and presko na tela. This one's from my shop, Mommy Ju Closet. So, itong mga onesie ko na to, I got this from the Orange app. Hustler na ako mag-shopping ng ganito sa Shopee. I'll wear this linen shorts. I got this from H&M. And I'll pair it with this tube top. Got this from GTW Urban, yung sa SM department store lang. But I had this for 4 years na. Nakarating na to ng Vietnam, ng cruise, ng Singapore. Ang dami niya nang narating. And I still use it. I got it for only like 300 pesos. My shades. I got this from the brand Celine. Pinag-isipan ko talaga siya bago ko siya bilhin kasi I'm not the type of person who would spend a lot of money on an accessories. This is around 36,000 pesos. Well, sharing with you guys, maybe pag marami nang nag-wish na magkaroon na kami ng baby number 2, mas mapabilis and mas dumating siya kaagad. So, wish us luck. So, ayun, pray with us. My clothes are packed. I'm gonna be bringing this bag. Nabili ko lang din to sa Shopee. Kung mapansin nyo, ang in-empake ko lang damit ko tsaka damit ni Franco. Kasi si Daddy, siya talaga nag-empake ng mga damit niya. Sometimes I would help him, pero malaki na siya. Hindi kami yung gano'n na parang I'm required to take care of him kasi he's actually the one taking care of me. So yeah.